Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on LG Q70. And to do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, look for the app called Notify Buddy, select it and go for the install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it, move to the next step and grant two permissions. Last here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, so I'm gonna leave it enabled like that. Now let's move on. From here we can actually start using the app. So there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In Active you can see all apps that you've just activated, and if you go to Settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen. Here let's click on the test button. And actually on this phone the LED lamp is obscured by the camera because it's visible right here, so you would need to change the position of the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.